people. So I don't know, I feel like this is my seventh review. Yeah, seventh video of the day. And guess what I'm about to review? These are brand new shoes that I bought from Lavi again. I say again because last time also I had picked up exactly the Lavi shoes that were worth 2k, and this time I got it for 1k. I don't know why I'm saying the rates. I shouldn't be telling you all the rates. It's like top secret. But but anyway, I got this set up. People till the 26th. Yeah, Lavi is having on certain products. It's like a discount, 50% off. In fact, so these shoes that are worth 1200, I got it for. So basically, I bought this and red color shoes. So why am I saying all this? It is, like when it comes down to shopping, it's important to be smart. Yeah, I mean, the same product at different parts of the year, you will get it at a different price. So as a consumer, you need to be intelligent to know when to buy a certain product. So anyway, these shoes, I tend to walk a lot, so these shoes are very important. So yeah, Lavi looks very nice, but I don't know, my previous shoes lasted only 3 months, which is supposed to be shocking, but I don't know, I found it very comfortable to wear and very very beautiful to look at, and everything is so I'm a fan of the brand actually, Lavi. So there's certain other Lavi products that I'm going to review in my next video. On that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.